Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily edit your campaign in Google Ads. So, let's get started. First, log into your Google Ads account. On the left sidebar, click on Campaigns. Find the campaign you want to edit and click on it. Click on More Details under the campaign name. Select Edit in Settings. Now, you'll see all editable options. Change the campaign name, goals, status, and more. Scroll down to update or exclude locations. Click Additional Settings for more advanced options like Start or End Dates or Add Rotation. And that's it. That's how to easily edit your campaign in Google Ads. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.